Drinks on me.
Mzal, uncedise nge-homework lana. Oh, you want me to help you with your homework? Or what is it? English? Alright, man, come on. E.T. What is a verb? Realize any verb. You trying to tell me you don't know what a verb is? Alright, let's start off with this. We're going to start on antonyms. When you say, this is the entrance, then you say, Ibopela, or outrance. No, it's exit. And when you say, this is the external, then what do you say? Or outernal. Not outernal, but... Never mind, bro. Never mind. I'm out. Uyangishia po manje. Ayeke la ngizoyibhalela.